Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy.
Bring your fudging brain with you this time, please.
Got it with me today.
Good.
Hopefully.
Because the two ladies don't do that. Take your hands off the steering wheel. It merges.
Oopsie.
Oopsie. Well done. Follow the arrows on the floor. That's it. That's it. Right then.
The steering wheel confuses me sometimes.
Stop clicking things, for God. You were. All is paid. Stop it. Helps you what? Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy.
Wait, kids. Stop. Yeah. Sure that's bad for you. That can't be good for your joints. No.
It's just air. Oh, it's just my bones.
See the truck coming? We'll do 65, 70 if you want, by all means.
No thanks.
Do it.
Okay. Tap.
Do it. I want to see 70 on there. Give me a mean look. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy.
We're coming into the village of Llanfair.
Windy.
God.
Okay. Go.
What time is it?
School time.
Yeah.
What a lovely surprise.
There we go. What's the speed limit now? All good. You feeling happier about your driving?
Yeah.
Me too. Driving really well. Well done. Diolch then.
Thanks.
What can you see going on in front of you? What can you see happening? That's it. When did I see his brake lights and his indicator?
Oopsie.
Straight ahead of the roundabout, please. Final mock test. Right, start again. Final mock test. So I'm preparing for it now. No, you're not going left. Just approaching in the left, eh? You'd only indicate left if you was going left.
Hi, done. So, I feel now.
Ah, that's right. Concentrate on your driving.
I am.
Next available exit, yeah? Suicidal seagull. Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy.
Repeat after me. Less space. That's it. More space. Sorry, there's a big fucking hair there. I'm gonna have to ejaculate a bit. It's bugging me. I can see it flopping. Why have we come this way? Because I want to know if you're looking at that sign up there. Can you see it? That's it. It's very difficult to see the line. Get to the line. You just failed your test. You didn't stop at the white line. No, you didn't. No, you went through it very, very slowly. That's a fail, okay? You must stop. Don't trust you. Look after me, make sure I don't get lost. Follow the arrows on the floor, please.
The chickens.
They're not chickens, they're seagulls.
Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie f***ing daisy, my ass. Behaving yourself now.
I'm watching now.
Nice bit of driving, young lady.
Thanks.
Very good.
I'm giving you a heart attack today.
Calm down, Mr. Ticker. Anxiety, panic attacks, depression, low self-esteem, grief, phobias, addictions. I'll have all of them, please. Thank you very much. Over way when ready, please. That's it. Nice blind spot check. Well done. Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy. Which one?
Right there, we're going to go straight ahead. Take the bike there. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You can get done for assault.
Okay.
Which, you think I'm joking?
I just find it funny.
Slow it. Have you got any advice for anybody?
No. Just chill.
Just chill.
Just chill.
It is what it is.
Meditate.
Look for problems, see the problems, deal with the problems. Right then, I'm the problem at the moment, doing 26 in a 40. Sorry.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
My heart keeps doing that drop hitting thing.
Cover there. There we go. You could be in charge of the selfie stick. Let me just give the bit of a light. Okay. So let's go for a little drive. Yeah. This is the waiting room in the driving test centre, and as you can see, just behind me, that is the examiner's room. Waiting room, and we'll go outside to the car park where it all starts and where it all finishes. And this is driving test centre. So she should be back in about 30 minutes or so, and hopefully she behaves herself and does as she's been asked, she'll pass. Guess what happened?
Yeah, I didn't have to do any parking.
You did a forward bay park, nada. You must have done.
I didn't.
Pull up on the right.
I did pull up on the right.
That's one of the manoeuvres.
Oh, I did pull up on the right and loads of pull up on the left.
Yeah.
I did an emergency stop as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right then,
No sat nav.
oh no, she did follow the signs for.
Yeah, following the signs, and then but she didn't put the sign.
Okay. So, any advice?
Well,
If there was somebody in your position
yeah,
tomorrow morning, what would you say to them?
I tell him to go to bed at 9 o'clock with a hot chocolate, marshmallows, and watch How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days.
How to lose a guy in 10 days.
Yeah.
Hot chocolate, marshmallows.
How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. Go to sleep. And bosh.
Bish bash bosh.
Oh my god. I can't believe I cried.
Huh?
I didn't try to cry when she told me that. I was like, oh
It's such an emotional feeling
I know.
that you're either gonna cry happy or cry sad. Okay? Well done, Meg. So, you need a car now.
I know, I haven't
Yeah.
even looked.
Well, you can start looking this afternoon, can you?
When should I buy a car straight away or should I wait?
Well, it's up to you. You got a full license. There's no difference.
I have a full license.
You have a full license. You are licensed to drive on your own.
How am I going to drive on my own?
You can give me a ring if you want.
Please?
Cool.
Oh, thank you.
Look.
Oh shit, yeah.
Say
Bye.
bye. She passed. Way.
See you later.
Congratulations, alligator.